Since the dawn of time, humanity has harbored one fatal obsession: gold. Alchemists sacrificed their entire lives, their fortunes, and their sanity just to find the Philosopher's Stone, the mythical substance capable of turning ordinary metal into the purest gold. But in the year 1669, one man went a step too far. He decided to extract gold from the human body, specifically from urine. Hamburg, 17th century. Hennig Brand, a bankrupt merchant and a self-proclaimed alchemist, he believed that the human body contained a divine spark. He noticed something that seems absurd today. Urine had a golden color. For Brand, this was enough proof. The liquid simply had to contain tiny particles of the coveted gold. So, he began a project that still evokes disgust today. Brand collected over 50 buckets of human urine, mostly from soldiers. He locked himself in his basement and started boiling it, day and night. The stench must have been unimaginable, a rotting smell of death and ammonia. But the alchemist did not stop. He boiled the liquid until it turned into a thick, black syrup. Then he heated it further, mixing it with sand, until his furnace reached a red-hot glow. And then the impossible happened. There was no gold at the bottom of the retort. Instead, in the pitch-black darkness of the basement, Brand saw a white, waxy substance. It emitted a thick smoke, and it was glowing with a cold, ghostly light. The alchemist was terrified, yet fascinated. He thought he had trapped the light of the stars in a jar, but when he tried to touch the substance, it violently burst into flames upon contact with the air. Flames that could not be extinguished with water. Brand called it cold fire. The world, however, came to know it by another name: phosphorus, an element whose discovery forever changed science, literally pulled from human waste. Hennig Brand sought wealth and eternal life. Instead, completely by accident, he gave humanity an element that centuries later was used to create matches, fertilizers, and some of the most terrifying incendiary weapons in the history of warfare. Gold gives power, but it was the devil's fire that changed our world. Subscribe to The Alchemist Cat to uncover more dark secrets of science.